celebrating time, guys. So I am going to visit Sam's Club today. Sam's Club is the US version of PriceSmart. So as I've always said, you don't have to be expensive in having a beautiful, luxurious home. So we're going to go in Sam's Club and see what they have. Come along with me, guys. So let's go, guys. It's cold out here. Oh, Sam's Club is down there. It's really cold outside, guys. I am not in what I'm supposed to be in, but let's go. Come, man. Honey, you're gonna have to go and get my jacket. Oh. Oh. Come here, guys. Come along. Let us see what we can find around here. So in this section, as you can see, there are a lot of nice stuff. You have rugs here. Oh, wow. This is nice, guys. This is a 36-inch wall mirror. Look at this. Woo! This is cute. Look at this. Oh, my God. Just imagine you have this in your living room and the price is amazing. The quality is nice. So there are so many things, as I've said, you can do. And look at these. These are nice. These are nice woolen seats. Basically, you put these in different areas of the house where you have guests, you have kids, you know, and they can have a lot of fun with these things. And trust me, it accessorizes the home. With all this said, guys, let us see what the prices are in here. So for this beautiful mirror that I just showed you, the price is not bad. The price is only $59. And trust me, it's amazing. And this knitted puff, this is only $39. I'm just saying, the prices are really good here. Really, really good. Guys, I have a surprise for you. And trust me, you're not going to believe the price. Ready? Look here. This is so cute. This is an amazing clock. I have never seen anything like this. Have you? Let me know. And look here, guys. This is the price. You tell me that this don't worth it. Anyways, if you guys want to buy me one, I'll take it. So anybody wants to buy me one, please let me know. Please. Oh my God. Beautiful. Beautiful. Babe, that was an amazing clock. And look at this, guys. This is a storage basket. Just imagine you have the kids and the toys are all over the house. You can easily put them in here and you have access where you can use the top for something else. It can be so decorative. And the price, it's a clearance price for only $24. And look how beautiful this is. It's really, really nice. I love it. I love it. Oh, look at this, guys. This is another beautiful piece. This is a globe. LED, of course, as you can see, all lit up. Just imagine you have this in a center area. Come down from the ceiling, looking lovely. And the price is really good. Clearance price, only $69. Again, you can beautify your home by not spending much because this is a really good price. And for what you're getting, yeah, it's worth it. I'll take me two of those. What do you think? Let me know. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. These are so nice. Feel this. All that pressure. What do you think we can use this for? Well, can go in the couch. I don't know about you, but I love cushions on my bed. So depending on the bedspread you have, this will blend right in. And of course, you have different colors. Oh, wow. And guys, look at the price. The price is amazing. I love it. I love it. Beautiful cushions right there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Guys, look here. Look at this, guys. You can use, these are throws. basically you can put them, design your living space, throw them across your couch, slant, even your bed, and the cushions I show you up there, they're the same brand. So you know they'll go together nicely. It's soft, cushy. Ooh, tell me what you think about it. But I'm loving it though. My God, look at here. These are just so nice. Come on, guys, tell me what you think. Yeah, prices are amazing. And also you have the push here. Look here. Oh my God. So yes, guys, this is a plush Sherpa blanket. Look, feel this. Just feel this on your face, guys. Just imagine you come home a hard days from work, and you just sink in the bed. Oh my God. And of course, it fits queens, kings bed. So you don't have to worry. If you're a queen size person, it fits. If you're a king, it fits. It fit both for me because I have queen and king at home. So perfect. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. You need a team to do your interior design for you? Reach out, well, on a budget, of course. Reach out to me. We have the perfect team waiting on you. All right? And of course, you know, we'll go the extra mile for you, just for you. Mwah. Let's go. And of course, guys, we can't forget about the kids. How can we? The kids are very important. Listen, you know someone who is selling their property or renting it? Give me a call. Don't be afraid. Link me in the comment section. And of course, guys, this is for the kids. With this, you know, you can have movie night with popcorn. The kids have a good time, have friends over, of course, sleep over. We need to bring that back so that kids can have fun once more. Again, kiddies, I am here for you as well. Mwah. Bye.